particular guitarists are called the Gonje guitarists. The Lucis are a god. That is a god is part of calabash. So a god is full of calabash. And a half piece of a god is called a calabash. So we inherited this tradition from Nigeria. Family, once again, welcome to the channel. It's your brother Prince Ayoko, sending my greetings to you from Tamale. I'm just sharing with you the Gonje guitarists, in Nakong, that is, northern Ghana, precisely Tamale. And we inherited this tradition from, our ancestors in Nigeria. That was way back in the 12th century, and up to date, we still practice this tradition. Most usually when they are playing, they sing in the Hausa language of northern Nigeria. So the uses are God, something that we call God. A God is full of calabash. So calabash is half piece of a God, you understand? Calabash is half piece of a God. So what they are using, that you see it's a God. That is a full calabash. And they are also using a calabash, that is being tied with horse tail to play. Share this content as much as you can so that everybody will benefit from it. Share this content as much as you can so that everybody will benefit from what I'm sharing. But this is a typical tradition that comes all the way from Nigeria to northern Ghana. This is a far distance, and we still practice it. For him to dance. So this is called the Gonje dance. So please family, if you are new to this channel, just subscribe, and click on the notification button for more cultural dances and more cultural, practices in northern Ghana. But I'm gonna share as much as I can for all of us to benefit from what I'm sharing. I already mentioned the name of this dance. It's called the Gonje dance. And we inherited this tradition from Nigeria way back in the 12th century. So, we come from far. That's why, we have part of our roots in northern Nigeria. From Zamfara, present day northern Nigeria. This is still my master's coronation ceremony at Lamashegu Chief's Palace. Yeah, my master was being skinned yesterday at the Yepasina of Lamashegu. So now this is the ceremony. This is the drumming and dancing, as well as these gonjes that we just using to enjoy ourselves today and to support our master. So everything here is about community. All those that we see here are family and friends, as well as families to my master and his apprentices and the people from the community in general. So this is my master with the white hat, and her granddaughter. So this Gonje dance is being danced by both women and men here, including the drumming. Yeah. Whatever dance we dance here, the majority of them women also dance it, except some few cultural dances that women don't dance. This lady is a princess with a beard. Northern Ghana tradition, the Dabon tradition. Our culture, our heritage. The women are highly respected here, and you know, women have so many values here. Men respect women a lot here. And, you know, when I talk about women, not those kind of women that do not call themselves women. I mean real women. My master is sharing money with her and laughing. So this sister is one of the princesses of Sabah. My master is going home. Family, on behalf of the families of my master, on behalf of the chief of Lamashego, His Royal Highness Lamashana Zebulem, and on behalf of all these members of our community, I say a very big thank you for watching, and please kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new, and click on the notifications bell, as well as share these contents and like my videos as well. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet again on my next video. It's your brother Prince Ayoko sending my greetings to you from Lamashego Chief's Palace, a suburb of Tamale. One love. Stay blessed. Bye.